What's good, everybody? It's your brother-in-law, Josiah Young. I'm an attorney who focuses on contracts. That means I can help my clients review contracts, analyze them, write contracts, draft them, tear them up, fight about them if necessary. I'd love to help you out. In any event, today's free quick legal game of the day is really just about the trustworthiness of attorneys, right? We all have heard the old stereotype that attorneys are not trustworthy. That's a human thing, right? Like, humans might not be trustworthy too, but the reality is there are good people out there, there are bad people out there in any profession. I do think it's worth saying that I am always striving to be honest. I'm by no means saying I'm perfect, but honest, yes. But you do got to be cautious when dealing with attorneys. That's the game of today, because attorneys might say and do anything, or they'll use tricky language like, I'm informed that such and such happened. Well, they don't know if such and such happened. They just may be informed and believe it. Or another phrase they say is, oh, I think this will be better for you. It's probably not going to be better for you. The bottom line, don't trust any attorney, not your own. Like, that's so sincere. Like, don't have some attorney you have not paid them, signed up to be their client, attorney-client privilege, locked in, then you tell them everything. And if they're not trustworthy, then go after them, because they really should be doing what's on your best interest. But if you don't even have that relationship under privity of contract and attorney-client relationship, oh, you're risking it playing with fire dealing with attorneys out here, because they will say and will do anything to help the other people they're trying to work with, their client. So if you're working on a contract and then the other attorney on the side sends you this, like, here, sign this, and you haven't hired my team yet, or you haven't hired a good attorney yet, man, you would be a fool to trust them. Like, for real. Like, fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on me. Well, now you heard it here first. Don't trust them. Do your own due diligence. Read the contract yourself. Hire your own attorney. Do something to avoid just relying on them. That's even for attorneys out there. Like, imagine I am in cases all the time and the other side says, no, you can't say that, or you can't do that. Just take that out. Well, the judge will be the decider of that, won't they? And you're not the decider of that. I had a mentor say they told me they would rather eat a paint milkshake than let the other opposing counsel tell them what to do. And that's what they try to do. They're attorneys, they're advocates. They try to act like they have so much authority. Attorneys do have authority. Attorneys do have power. Humans are supposed to be honest, right? A good person is going to be someone who's going to tell you the truth. Now, if it's averse to their case, they may not want to tell you the truth. They may just say nothing or whatever. But for all my people out there who dealing with attorneys, man, be cautious. Like, don't feel like you're about to get trapped up and tricked by the smartest person in the world, because attorneys are pretty smart. They got their law degree. They passed the bar exam. So yes, there's a objective standard of education and knowledgeability. Now that shows how smart I am. I don't even know what that word means, but they have some knowledge. But don't trust them. Don't trust them unless you have a reason to trust them. Like, they're your attorney, right? Don't trust them unless you can look them in the eyes like I'm looking you right now. I'm being honest with you. I'm being honest with you. If you don't get that feeling of honesty from them, you better run, because I see it's like wolves. You letting wolves in the hen house, and then don't be surprised when they tear the coop up. That's what it really is with attorneys. So be not afraid. Go and find you an attorney who you believe in your heart, and who you know is going to represent your best interests. And then roll the dice. But don't listen to what the other attorney's saying, because it's pretty much their job to try to throw you off your path, make you do something silly, and then you're trying to undo it and say, well, they told me such and such, and they're going to be looking smug, and they're going, well, no, Your Honor, actually, I didn't tell her exactly that. What I said was, I thought that. And then you're going to be irritated. Take heed. One love. Share this video. Don't hesitate to reach out if you're dealing with a contract legal issue.